Hello, I'm in a 2016 Dodge Durango, and today I'm going to show you how to use your front and rear defrosts. So while the vehicle's on, it's going to be with these functions here. This activates your front defrost and your rear defrost. Your front, while it's on, is controlled by your fan now. So if you want it to blow harder, you can turn this up or lower to turn it down. And then you also can control if it's going to blow hot or blow cold with these functions. But yeah, while it's on this front defrost, it's gonna be blowing out of this little vent up front, so it's blowing straight under the glass. Main purpose is to help melt ice and snow and things like that. And even if you've got it really hot trying to melt stuff, you still may want the AC on, just because the way that AC system works is it'll pull moisture out of the air, so you're less likely to have the glass fog up. And when you're done with this, you can either turn this fan all the way off or click this button, so when it's not lit, it's turned off. And this rear one, the way this works is while it's lit up, it's on. And if you can see in the camera, there's some black lines through the glass. Those black lines are a heating mechanism, and when it's turned on, those heating mechanisms will act to melt any ice and things like that built up. And to turn it off, same as the front, you just click it again so that light's not lit. And if you're having issues with these working, first I would probably check fuses. Sometimes a burnt fuse or something like that might make these buttons inoperable. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.